Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's JL body, stock number 28228T. Now this is the Rubicon, firecracker red in color. Gorgeous vehicle. The new styling, they got the new grille, new bumper, the fog lamps. Looks good. Look at that hood. Sharp. Very sporty. Now this has a 3.6 Pentastar motor in it with an 8-speed transmission. Probably the best fuel mileage I've ever had in a Jeep Wrangler with a 6-cylinder in it. It's got 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Sharp. All these aluminum wheels with the pockets painted black really sets it off. We've got big terrain R17s, 17-inch rims and tires. What a gorgeous vehicle. They did a great job with this. We've got the three-piece Freedom hardtop here. They've actually painted the roll bar the same color as the vehicle. So when you take these tops off, you'll have the same firecracker red color all throughout. We've got a tan leather interior with Rubicon stitching in the back of the seats. Look at the interior, sharp. Leather wrap steering wheel. It's got the 7-inch display, Uconnect 4, dual temperature control zones, power windows, locks, power mirrors, automatic headlamps. Of course, you got the Uconnect hands-free telephone, cruise control. Really changes around. Beautiful vehicle. There's power windows, rear of the console. You got a USB port back here. They changed up the hinges on the doors. Got a rear wiper. Center console there, and the back seat folds down. You got cup holders in it. And here's what I'm talking about, the paint again on this roll bar. Very sharp. Look good with the top off there. Backup camera now. Changed up their shifter. Loaded this one up. Beautiful. Brand new JL body. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, Rubicon. Firecracker red, automatic. Here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.